Understanding sales is important, but having inventory is pretty important too. Odoo has a great replenishment system built into the tool, and it's pretty easy to use. So if I jump in here and go to replenishment, you'll see all the items basically I have out there that need to be replenished. A quick click through this, and I can replenish these up to my max in a couple of steps. So that's going to write POs out there for me in the system. I guess I've got a PO already out there for this paper thing that's not there. But the rest of the POs are written for me for my khakis and my t-shirts. Let's go take a look at them. In my purchasing module, if I go into RFQs, I can see my two orders, right? Levi's and Hanes here. And let's go ahead and turn those into real POs real quick, right? And at this point, I've got my POs out there in the system. Once I receive these inventory pieces are there. I did another video on how to establish reorder points. I'll point it to you in the show notes here. And I'm going to point to one for how to calculate and build out those replenishment order points as well. But having those built, using sales data to build them, essentially gives me that information. And very quickly, I can replenish the goods I have out there on stock. So what's it look like when we get those goods? If I go into sales and look at product variants, right, style, color, size sort of stuff, and take a look at my apparel items, which is a favorite I built, you can see essentially how all of my items are listed here and what my on-hand looks like after I did that replenishment order. A real easy, super kind of convenient way to capture this information and manage that inventory in Odoo. So that's a cool thing. But what about